Hey everyone, Ellie here. We've got a little unboxing today. It's from CASETiFY. So here we have a playful ambigram that says Go Away 2020, and when you flip it, come in 2021. I believe they shipped me this for late Christmas 2020 and New Year 2021, but it arrived in time for Chinese New Year, which is a great coincidence because their box is a rich red with gold foiling. So we have a little card here for New Year. And they gave sanitizing wipes. The first case they sent me is this solid black impact case with a dragon illustration all over the back. There's a red lining on the inner bumper of the case, and they even indicated the tensile toughness of the case. The back is solid and matte, so no fingerprint woes. Here's a quick close-up of the dragon print, as well as their signature logo frame around the camera lens. I was only able to pick the black version of this, but on their website, this same print comes in various colors. I really like the clear version with the pink bumper. It's so cute. This second case is my favorite. Look at the iridescence. You can see it also has a thick protective bumper all around the edges, this time in white. It's my name! Same logo placement around the camera lens. When it's on my phone though, it's mostly gold and bronze. Not much of the blue anymore, but it still looks really cute. So this one I actually got to customize. I prefer light cases with good protection, so I chose their impact case line once again. You can see that they indicate the case type's weight and the level of protection. If you want to be extra, you can go for these hypnotizing glitter or neon sand liquid ones. They have lots of options. After choosing my impact case in iridescent, I picked a placement for my customization as well as the name/phrase I was going to customize. Look how pretty it is! But yeah, actually something I really like about this particular combination that I chose is it doubles as a mirror. So cute! CASETiFY's pricing is pretty standard. I'll probably be keeping them in mind for gift ideas because there are so many designs plus added personalization options. So that's all I have for today. Big thanks to CASETiFY for sending their cases to me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!